Good day, guys. Being here. Today we're going to talk about some settings of stair. Okay, so these are only part of the settings. Okay, so let's start. So first, I'm going to create a project. Okay, so now go to architecture. So here, so that's stair. So click on stair, and now we will see these constraints. So the desired stair height. So this is the overall height of the stairs. So it's just like walls or other elements. So you can start from ground floor with 0 offset and top level at level 1. So you can also use same level with different offset. So for example, I'll use 3.5 or 3.6 meter. Okay. So once you set the these two levels and two offset, so Revit will get this desired stair height, the overall stair height, and with this height, Revit will calculate the number of risers. So see here, so it's 19. So this number is calculated by dividing 3.6 meter by, so if I go click on edit type, you will see this maximum riser height. Okay, so this number is calculated by dividing 3.6 by this number, so 190. So if I do a calculation, so 36 divided by 190 equals, so you'll see it's 18.9, and then it's round up to 19. Okay, so okay, let me click OK, and yeah, before you place your stairs, you can change this depth. Actually, you can change the depth, the tread depth anytime. Okay, so for example, I'll just type in 270. Okay, so now we can create these stairs, and you will see when I draw these stairs, it show see this gray text telling you how many riser we need, and so you can just draw it to here, and then it will finish it at this desired number, so which is 19. Okay, so now if I finish this one, and this is it. So this is the stairs start from. So let me just delete delete the rating. So this stair is start from the ground floor with 0 offset. So if I do a spot elevation, so this is 0. Okay, and then finish at 3.6 should be 3.6. It's actually, so you won't find that one. It's because Revit consider this as, that's another floor there. So if I do this one, so actually if I do this level, and if I place a floor, I'll just roughly draw a shape. Okay, so to match that line, delete DE, and finish this one, type in 3.6, and I know that the difference between this and this is exactly this height. So let me just do a dimension. Okay, so go architecture, set, pick a plane. I'll just pick a plane, so maybe this one, and do a dimension DI here and here. So now you will see this is 189.5, and this one exactly the same. Okay, so now let's go back to have a look. So we talked about desired stair height, which is the overall height, and desired number of riser, which is divided by it's calculated by dividing the desired stair height by this maximum riser height. Okay, so let me just how do I change the color? Okay, so this one's down, maximum right height. Okay, so actual number of riser. Okay, so now let's go back. So if you select a stairs, so you will see this is designed number of riser, which we can change it. Okay, and this is actual number of riser, which is gray. You can't type in number. Okay, so let me show you how to change this one. Change this actual number of riser. So you need to go to a floor plan. You need to go to a floor plan and select this round. So select this stairs and edit stairs. So now this is a round. Okay, so a round, and you will see. So it shows the number 1. So so this is 1 and this is 19. And if you select this round, you will see this blue dot. So if you drag this one, you can change this. So for example, here it's 19, and if you drag this back, it will become 18. Okay, so that's fine, just delete the dimension. So now you will see, if I finish, so you will see the actual number of riser become 18. Okay, so if you drag back, so where is it? So yeah, deselect the round, and that's 11. Okay, so okay, so let me just change this back to 19 again and finish this. So now let me just go back to here. So we talk about actual riser. Oh no, this one. Actual number of riser. And now let's have a look of actual riser height. Okay, so actual riser height is it's calculated by dividing 3.6 by this number. So currently it's 189.5. So I think it's let me check the maximum. So maximum is 190. That's why. So if you want to change the actual riser height, of course you can't type in a number. You need to change the You need to change this designed number of riser, and then change the actual number of riser. You need to change both. So for example, this one, I don't want to have this, although the maximum riser height is 190, but I think probably this is maybe let's just add one extra. Okay, so what we can do is select this stairs. So type in 20. Okay, so once you type in 20, Revit will calculate the actual riser height for you. But Revit will not add one extra riser. So you will see the actual number of risers still 19. So which means you need to manually add one more. So I've shown you how to add. So you just need to edit stairs and click on this run and drag it and finish it. So now you will see this stairs. This stairs now is 20 riser and with 180 actual riser height. Okay, and of course actual tread depth, you can change this anytime. Okay, anytime. So let's just do it again. So for example, this one, I want to reduce 1, which means I want to increase the riser height. Okay, so you just need to change this to 19. And Revit will give you a warning. That's fine. Click OK. And then you just double check, make sure this riser height is okay. And then, so you will see, we just need to actual number of rider, just remove one. So just select. So, and also, let me just show you. So sometimes when you select these stairs, so if I click on this one, so currently this is a stair, but sometimes it will you will probably notice that if you tab, you can select a different thing. So this is run. So which means you don't need to edit stairs and select a run. You can also just tab, select the run. Okay, so I'll talk about this a little bit more later, but now I just want to edit stairs, and you will see 19 plus 1, which means the actual number of rider is one more than the design number. So you can tell from this. So just need to drag this back. Okay. Okay, so finish, and that's it. So now, and while we are here, let me just show you. So if you edit these stairs and select this run, you will see these handles. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and these two you can change. You can use them to change the width. Okay, and you can also do it here. So 1 meter, 1.2 meter. But if you do this, so which means the one side of the stair will stay at the same location, or you just stretch the stairs. And also these two, so it will move the stairs. Okay, you'll see this one, not the blue dot. Okay, so now let's go back. We talked about actual rider height. I'll just gray, and this one, the tread depth, so you can change it anytime, so no problem. So now let's have a look of these two, relative base height and the relative top height. Okay, so they are the setting of the runs. So for example, if I select these stairs, you won't see those settings, and you need to go edit stairs, and then you need to select this run. And now you will see this is a relative base height and a relative top height. So I'll show you what they are. So now let me just type WT, so we can have this 3D view here. Okay, and so this one, if I change this one, so for example, I'll just type in 1 meter, which means if you look at the right hand side, the 3D view, and yeah, that's fine. You will see it will start from here instead of from ground floor level. It's the same if I reduce this height, and it will come down. And you can also do it this way. You can do it here. Okay, you can do it here. See, if we drag this all the way to here, you can see some gray line there. So here is the starting point, which is 1, and then of course if we drag to here, it will become the 4 stair. Okay, so drag it back, and it will lower this. So it's a bit confusing because you have, if you unselect this run, you see these 2 level, and if you select this one, and then again you see another 2 level. So let me show you what are these for. Okay, so sometimes we want to so for example, this currently I have these stairs. If I want to, so for example, if I want to add a landing, so how can we do it? So you can do this. So I'll just drag this back. So for example, I want to have a landing in the middle. So instead of start a new stairs, we can just create another part. So what you can do is you just drag this. So for example, I'll just drag this to roughly in the middle. So, and also you will see if you type in a number. So for example, I type in 1.8 meter, Revit will help you to get the closest level of the step. Okay, so now what you can do is you can just copy this one, copy this run. So for example, copy it to here. And for this one, I want to change this one to 0. Oh, hang on. Let me just copy this one, Control C, and change it to 0, and change this to Control V. So now you will see this one become lower, start from ground floor. So maybe let me just drag this. So I remember you can do this. So this can move the stairs, okay? And then with these two rounds, so you can just go landing and pick this one, that's it. Okay? And sometimes you can even have, multiple. So you can copy this one down, rotate it, and you just move it to next to this landing. So Revit will automatically join them. And yeah, I think that's it. So for example, you can drag this back. You can, let's check the level. So maybe Control C. You can just copy this another one and change this one to Control, maybe this one to 3.6 and change this one to Control V. And now drag this back a little bit, create a landing, this one. So see another landing. Okay. So yeah. So that's the relative base height and the relative top height. Okay, so now let me finish this one. And what else? I think I think that's it for today. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.